Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize a website on Wix for toys and games business easy and quick. So as we know, Wix is a type of websites that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know how to code. It offers various tools to design, add content and customize your site. So first of all, let's start from here, build with Wix editor. Now as you see, you can start with Chat AI, so it's gonna help you to customize and set up your website. You have just to answer the questions that's gonna ask you, and you can build and set up your website easily and quickly. Also, you can set up without AI. You can go to basic setup. For example, for me, I'm gonna choose this way to set up my website. So let's get started. Now you can enter your business type. Okay, so as you see now, you can select your business type. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one. Now you have to add the name of your store. Do you already have an online store? What would you like to sell? Physical product or digital product or dropshipping product? So this is depends on your business. Where would you like to sell? Online store or in person or your mobile app or marketplaces and social media? So let's continue. Let's continue to dashboard. Now let's go to design the site. So how do you like to design websites? If you want to let Wix create a site for you or customize a design template. For me, I'm gonna start from here. Okay, now you can add your information, the business name, your email, your address, your phone, and also you can add the social link. So let's continue now. We can pick a theme you like. Pick a theme you match your business. So you can try your best to make your site look attractive. So like the simple details like the themes and like the colors, it's important to make your site look attractive to attract more customers to your website. Now you can pick your favorite homepage design. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one right here. Now if you want to add page to your site, you can select what you like, what you want. You can skip all this and you can customize them later. Now let's move on. So wait a few seconds for preparing your homepage design. Now your site is up and running, so you can go to editor to complete design. As you see here, this is the editor page. You can add elements, you can add sections, you can add and manage pages and menus. Also you can design the site, you can add apps, manage your business. So for example, if you want to add elements, you can start from the text, you can customize the theme text, the titles and the paragraphs, the text mask. Also if you want to upload images or import images, you can explore images free from Wix, free Wix illustrations. Also here you can customize the theme buttons, the text and the icon buttons, the image buttons. So that's it. Now let's move on to the decorative. Here you can customize the theme lines, the basic shapes, rows, horizontal lines and vertical lines. Now let's move on to the next step. So here if you want to add something new, you can for example just select the type of this section and you can select your favorite design. Okay, and you can put it at any place on your editor page. If you want to design your site and customize it, you can customize the color theme, the text theme, the page background, the page transitions. So that's it. If you want to add something new, you can just click here and you can select what you like or what you should to add on your home page. So the first section here, we have the header section. You can do a quick edit. If you want to change the site name, you can manage your horizontal menu. So now let's move on to the next section. So as you see here, you can change the section background, the strip background, also if you want to change the column background. Also you can generate another title and another paragraph. For example, if you want to change the paragraph, just click on it. Okay, and create AI text. Now as you see, you can just describe what you want in your text. And if you want to select just the type of this section, for example, this is the welcome section, you have just to insert information to include here, and it's gonna create it for you. You can make it shorter or generate another one if you don't like it. Also here you can edit the text, you can change the style. Okay, that's it. Now let's move on to the next section. This is the product section. So here you have to create your product, so you have to manage product first. Now you can add new products, physical products. Now you can add the title of your product, you can add images and videos. Also you can add the product information, the name and the description. Also if you want to customize the price and options, you can turn this on and customize the discount and the sale price. Here you can customize the inventory and the shipping. You can turn this on, track inventory, and you can customize the inventory and the shipping wage. So that's it. After you're done, you can save this place and go back to the editor to complete design. Now let's move on to the next section. This is the about section. The same thing as normal, you can create another AI text, describe what you want in your text, or select this section and it's gonna create it for you. If you want to change the strip background, you can for example change the color. Okay, now let's move on to the next section. This is the same section in the about section. If you want to change this image, just click here and you can search whatever you like on the search. This is the features section. So this is here you can change whatever you like the text, just describe what you want in your text, and also the same thing in the image, just change it from here. So this is the same thing as normal. Now let's move on to the next section. So this is the last section, the feature section. So here you can just customize your email and manage the company name for the copyright. So that's it. Before you publish your website, you can go to the preview and see what your site looks like on desktop and mobile before you go live. Also you can save this editor page and you can publish it. After this you can publish it and you can start selling and start your business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end and see you in the next video.